A small car was all I wanted. And then I discovered the Ford Freestyle. Thank God for the dealership guy to suggest a test drive, where I fell in love with the Freestyle. For me, it is the best of both worlds. The ground clearance of a UV and the agility of a hatchback. Freestyle makes you stand apart, and there is nothing small about it. Freestyle में सब कुछ है जो होना चाहिए. Rain sensing wipers, automatic headlamps, embedded navigation. But where it stands tall over the competition is the ruggedness and the soul of a SUV. I feel Freestyle should not be compared with hatchbacks, but SUVs. It is powerful, has the capabilities to take you anywhere. But the one I love the most is how it keeps me in control at all times. For me, Freestyle can do everything that a SUV can, at the cost of a hatchback. I'm Nidhin. Life is better with a Freestyle.